We are cooking Sambal Petai today. We have here 4 shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 fresh chilli, and 10 dried chilli soaked in hot water for half an hour. Grind all the rempah ingredients into a paste. This is 1 tablespoon of assam pulp which has been soaked for half an hour and mashed. This is 1 packet of petai which has been split, and 10 prawns cut into half. We start by frying the rempah paste until fragrant for about 5 minutes. Add the prawns and fry for 2 minutes. Add the assam water. Add the petai. Fry for a short while and add 3 tablespoons of water. Cook for about 5 minutes until the petai is cooked. Petai can be eaten raw. However, I like it cooked but still retaining some crunch. Add some water if it is too dry. Add salt and sugar to taste. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.